What's up everybody, this is Joe with Joseph Lake Photography, and in this video we're just going to do a quick little chat about some information that I saw about an R3 Mark II. Okay, no plug for the channel here except just, hit subscribe and like. I'm trying to rebuild all that stuff. You've seen it before. The R3 has been out for like a year, 2 years? How long has the R3 been? Okay, so the R3 came out in September 2021. Time is a construct. With Sony doing a global shutter camera and Canon yet to announce the R1, we're getting a rumor from what Canon Rumors calls a very trusted source that there's an R3 Mark II out there. And I'll be real honest, other than maybe a slight increase in the frame rate, I don't know, what is the R3 missing that we need that the R1 isn't supposed to have? Right? The R1 is supposed to be the flagship camera, the R3 is supposed to be the sport and wildlife camera. That's kind of how they're set up. So is the R3 Mark II just going to be a slight iteration with maybe a little bit of higher resolution, maybe a slightly faster sensor like the R6 Mark II? And maybe that's how we need to look at it, right? The R6 was the first second gen camera in the mirrorless lineup. If you consider the R5, R6, R7, R8, R10, if you consider those kind of the first cameras in the mirrorless lineup, and the R and RP just kind of is like dipping the toe in the water for a minute to see how it goes. But if we have an R3 Mark II and we look at what the R6 Mark II is, right, in comparison to the R6, then really slight improvements, a couple of tweaks here and there, maybe even still on the Digic X processor, maybe an improvement in speed. I don't know. I wanted to do a quick video because honestly, I want to ask you down in the comments, tell me, what is the R3 missing, right? It has the eye control AF, great ISO, and I mean, it's a BSI 24 megapixel sensor, maybe 28, 30, 35? Would they lose the light quality? I mean, I don't know. I saw this rumor. I wanted to throw out a video about it because I have no idea. And I don't want to pretend to know or think that I would understand, because I'll be real honest. We're still waiting for the R1, and the R1 has been rumored for years. Then they came out with the R3. Now we have something from Sony. Is this just marketing fluff for the future, and that in 2 years we're going to get another camera? Maybe it comes in after the R1. Tell me down in the comments what you think. That's it. I don't know. This confuses me. See you in the next one.